How to make a hearty beef and cheesy lasagna my way. Yes, I will be showing you step by step how to make this monster lasagna. This is a long one, guys, so sit back and relax. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Come on, let's go. Using a deep pot filled with water on high heat, add the salt and the olive oil. Stir and allow the water to reach a rolling boil. Carefully add the lasagna noodles to the boiling water. Stir the noodles to prevent them from sticking together. Cook the lasagna noodles for 7 to 9 minutes. The lasagna noodles will not be fully cooked. After 7 to 9 minutes, drain the noodles and place them in a bowl. Rub with the olive oil to prevent them from sticking, then place the lasagna noodles to the side. Add the ground beef to a deep pot on medium-high heat. Cook the ground beef and begin to chop into smaller pieces. The ground beef is done when there are no signs of pink or red meat. When the meat is fully cooked, drain the ground beef and return it back to the pot. Turn the heat down to medium-low. Add the tomato paste, the vegetable seasoning blend, minced garlic, the onion powder, garlic powder, the adobo seasoning powder, the dried oregano, dried basil, the Italian seasoning, black pepper, the Worcestershire sauce, and the olive oil. Mix all of the seasonings until they are well blended into the ground beef. Add the pasta or spaghetti sauce to the seasoned ground beef mixture. Stir the spaghetti or pasta sauce into the seasoned ground beef mixture until well combined. Add the sugar and half a cup of water to the ground beef mixture. Stir until well combined. Taste and adjust any of the seasonings for the ground beef mixture. Add the butter and stir until well blended. Turn the heat down to low and cook from 30 minutes and up to 4 hours. Using a bowl, place the ricotta cheese into the bowl. Add 1 or 2 eggs. Add the shredded Parmesan cheese, the Italian seasoning. Mix all of the ingredients until well combined. When the mixture has been well combined, place the ricotta mixture to the side. Using a deep lasagna or long pan, add enough meat sauce to cover the bottom of the pan. Neatly add the first layer of lasagna noodles on top of the meat sauce. Add a layer of the ricotta cheese mixture on top of the lasagna noodles. Add 1 layer each of the shredded mozzarella, Italian style, and queso shredded cheese on top of the ricotta cheese layer. Now add the Italian seasoning. Add a layer of the ground beef sauce on top of the cheeses. Add the second layer of the lasagna noodles on top of the ground beef sauce. Add the rest of the ricotta cheese mixture. Add the layer of the mozzarella Italian style and queso cheeses, the Italian seasoning, a layer of the ground beef sauce, followed by the final layer of the lasagna noodles. Add the last layer of the ground beef mixture on top of the lasagna noodles. Cover the entire pan with the shredded Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle the top of the lasagna with the parsley and the Italian seasoning. Bake the lasagna in a preheated 350-degree oven from 35 to 45 minutes. And here you have it, the hearty, beef and cheesy, beginner-friendly lasagna my way. Seasoned ground beef, a veggie blend, cooked in a seasoned spaghetti and pasta sauce, 4 different layers of cheeses, Italian seasoning, basil, oregano, minced garlic, and olive oil. This recipe is definitely a win-win combination. You must simply give this recipe a try and stop playing. This lasagna recipe freezes and reheats very well without losing any flavor. It is also a great recipe if you are into meal prepping. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are so greatly appreciated. The beats bumping this video is the Nexus Riddim by music producer KONRAD OLDMONEY, available at the YouTube free audio library. You know what time it is. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.